Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat capture quantifiers. So in today's DILR set, we are going to discuss a very good set on pie charts. Okay. Before we go ahead, like always, this is the comprehensive overview of the courses we provide. Also, our new batch is going to start very soon. So if you wish to join, you can join the link given in the description. Let's see what is the question all about. The question says, a cold drink manufacturing company produces 5 different type of cold drinks. So A, B, C, D, E. Pie chart given below the volume in percentage of each type of cold drink produced by the company. So 35% of A, 30% of B, 10% of C. These two percentages are unknown. Okay. The following information about the company is also known, that in the last financial year, the company made a profit of $10 million. So $10 million, yani $1 crore basically. Okay. The total cost, the total volume of the cold drink produced was 1 million. So 10 lakh liter of this was produced. Fine. Cold drink type of C and D was 45% profit. So C and D together had 45% profit. B and C together had 35% profit. Okay. The table below mentions the incomplete information of profit per liter of cold drink. Fine. So let us just try to write whatever we have and then we will try to move ahead. Okay, so if I talk about C, production into profit per liter will give me profit, right? Basic part. And we have to find it for A, B, C, D, and E. We have to find this for 5 things, right? Okay. Okay. Let us try to sort it out. So total production I know is 10 lakh. Okay, I am just converting it into lakhs because we are more comfortable with in this, and also in while converting into percentages, I will not go into the decimal. So the total production I know is 10 lakh. Sorry, production is 1 lakh, 1 million liters. Okay, so 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is the total production. Profit total is $10 million, which means 1 crore. This is the total profit we have with us. Everything is in dollars. So production of A is 35% of 10 lakh, yani 3.5 lakh. Profit of A is 60 by 7. So profit due to A is 5,000, 50,000 into 60, that is 30 lakh. So this is for A. So if I talk about B, B is 3 lakh. I don't know about the share of B, so let it be B, and there's some profit being generated, that is 3 lakh B. For C it is 1 lakh. And again I don't know the share, so it is C. I know that B and C together constitutes 35%. So this is total of 35 lakh. This is total of 45 lakh. Okay, so what do we know about their production? Their combined production is 25%. So if their combined production is 25%, that is 2,50,000. So this is X. 2,50,000 minus X into and into. So its profit is 50 by 3 and this profit is 10. So this is 50 by 3x and this is 2,50,000 minus 1 into x into 10. So this is the overall data given to me, right? Now if you think carefully or if you think possibly that there are many variables, there are 3 variables B, C and X. These are the 3 variables which I need to find. If I try to solve this, I will have an equation B and I have an equation C. If I try to solve this, equation involves C and X. If I am able to solve this somehow, अगर मैं इसको solve कर पाता हूँ, I will find my value of X and my life will be very easy. Can I find the share of these two? I know the share of A, I know the share of BC, I know the share of CD, I need to find the share of D. Total is A, B, C, D, E. So if I can see, I know about A, I know about BC. Can I say out of total, if I subtract A, B, C, I will left over with D, E? So what do I mean by that? That, see, this is 30 lakh. These two together are 35 lakh. So 30 plus 35. These three together are 65 lakh. So if these three are 65 lakh, the remaining is 5 lakh, right? The remaining is 35 lakh, which means that profit for D plus profit for E is 35 lakh. Or if I solve this further, what will I get? 50x by 3 plus 25 lakh minus 10x is equal to 35 lakh. Okay. So 35 lakh minus 25 lakh is 10 lakh. 10 lakh is equal to 50x minus 30x, 20x by 3. So 20x by 3 is equal to 10 lakh. So x comes out to be 1.5 lakh. Right? X comes out to be simple as that, 1.5 lakh. 30 lakh divided by 20, 1.5 lakh. Perfect. As soon as I am getting x as 1.5 lakh, this is 1.5 lakh and this is 1 lakh. Now, if this is 1 lakh, the profit of E is 1 lakh into 10. 10 lakh. This together was 35, so this is 25 lakh. If this is 25 lakh, this is 20 lakh. If this is 20 lakh, this is 15 lakh. So with this, I am able to fetch out everything, right? If I need to find the value of B, 30 lakh into what is 15 lakh? 3 lakh into what is 15 lakh? 5. 1 lakh into what is 20 lakhs? 20. So I've got all my values. Now let me just say the questions now. How much profit in $1 million was found by type E? The total profit is 10 lakh rupees. In rupees, sorry, it is in not in millions. You can 10 lakh in, if it is 10 lakh in million, it is 1 million. So it is 1 million. It is already in dollars, so it is sorted. Not in rupees, it is already in dollars, so that's why it is sorted. What volume of cold drink of D was manufactured? D was 1,50,000. So it is basically 1.5 lakh or 1,50,000, whatever we can say. What is the profit percent for the type C? For type C, it is $20 per liter. Perfect. And for the last question, considering the total profit made by company, by how many percentage points is the percent share of type B is less than type share of C? So we are asked to find about the percentage points, not the percentage. So it is not in that way. So if this is 15% of a crore, and this is 20% of a crore. So in the percentage point, this is 5% less. So answer for this is 5% less. Itna deficit hai hamare paas, right? So with this, we are able to complete our data set. I hope you guys understood it. And if you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.